my hairdresser introduced me to the Weave Buddy, which ended up changing the whole entire deal.
And when I noticed that you had invented a new dynamic technique that could give them less tension, more breathability, then I wanted to learn as much as I could to be able to offer that to them and let them know there are other healthier options.
The Weave Buddy is definitely a lifesaver.
Favorite parts about the Weave Buddy is that I can wear my hair back in a ponytail and I don't have any issues. I can wear my hair with my weaves and not have bald spots in front of my hair when I'm 40.
Now look at me. I look like a superstar. So back to me now, thanks to you.
I mean, I'm wearing one right now. Looking at my hair, you cannot tell that I have thinning edges or bald edges. You just can't tell.
My clients love it. It really works.
I am a cosmetologist and I have been for over 20 plus years, and I just got a chance to use the Weave Buddy and I think it is ingenious. It is the perfect tool for anyone who has clients with thinning sides or just want fullness and doesn't want the pressure on their edges.
It just makes me feel whole, it makes me feel beautiful, it makes me feel like myself again.
The Weave Buddy, this is my client, Christina. How you feel? It feels really good. It's super light. I thought it would be very restrictive, but it's not. It actually feels better because it's not a lot of pressure on my hair pulling from the weave. So I really like it.
So this has been like a godsend. Absolutely love the Weave Buddy.
For those who are suffering with male pattern baldness, with alopecia, just know this is not the end of the road.
If you are an extension specialist, that this is a class that you should have in your library.
Absolutely worth it. It's a must-have. My weave is on and it's nice and tight and no more glue. Thank you.
Less units.
The Weave Buddy has been a lifesaver for my client. She's happy and smiling, and it's also given me an alternative to use on my clients who have severe alopecia.
I really am excited with the fact that I can have better styles and I can enjoy the kind of hair that I've always wanted.
It is absolutely amazing. I am in awe.
As a Weave Buddy specialist, I have the ability to give my clients a fuller look that is safe for their edges.
I would recommend this to everybody.
The edges of my rows feel very secure. I feel that my natural hair isn't being pulled or any stress on it.
They're so comfortable, like no headaches, it's not pulling on your hair. I feel like my hair is healthier.
I did not want my hair, what I have left, I did not want it to be ripped out of my head like I've seen so many articles about with hair extensions.
Miss Cat is very patient and thorough, so even if you felt like you didn't quite get it, she makes herself available so that you can ensure that you get every step.
My buddy. Get your edges saved. Weave Buddy.
Let's